everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video on my channel, Shwanika Life and Love, and this is Shweta Verma. I hope you all doing fine and also liked and watched my previous videos and my vlogs. And in today's video I'm going to start a new series of makeup line, I'm starting with the Monday to Saturday and Sunday, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do and how to make your day very cheerful with this makeup tutorial. And this makeup tutorial is inspired by Monday, so I'm doing this makeup like Monday makeup. So it's a blue makeup, so blue is a color of a Monday, and that's why I'm using this blue color and make this makeup tutorial just for you guys. A coming series you can see all the colors like Tuesday orange and Wednesday green, and you can see all the colors. I'm making different eyeshadow makeup tutorials just for you guys, and please keep on watching on my channel. And if you are not subscribed my channel yet, then go and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button, and also like this video if you like this video, and also share it with your friends and family. I hope you like this Monday makeup tutorial, and without wasting any time, so let's get started. Guys, please follow me on Instagram. मैं Instagram का ID अपना ये स्क्रीन पे दे दूंगी, और मेरा Instagram ID है Shweta Verma 2201, and also don't forget to follow me on TikTok for exciting and beautiful videos of mine, and some filmy videos of mine. So go there and follow me on TikTok. My TikTok ID is Shweta Verma 13. So go there and follow me, and bye. this is my finishing final look of this Monday makeup. As you see, in which I am using all the blue color shades on my eyes, like I'm using a dark liner and little bit of shimmery light turquoise blue color shade eyeshadow on my eyes. And as you see, I use lot of shimmer and lot of highlighter on my face because it's going with this look. And I'm using this pink lipstick of L'Oreal, not L'Oreal, it's Chamber, and it's a beautiful shade and going with my eyeshadow. And I'm also using a shimmery blusher on my cheeks, and I really loved with this look, and I'm really excited to doing all the makeup look for you guys, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I'm really excited to do these looks for you guys. And in today's video I'm using again this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, which I'm in love with this eyeshadow palette. I'm using all these 4 blue color shades, and I'm looking forward to use this palette again. And I'm using some other palettes like Huda Beauty and some Naked palette. I'm showing you. It's not opening. Yeah, I'm using this blue color shade, which I really liked it. As you see the pigmentation of this eyeshadow, it's a beautiful eyeshadow. And मैं इसको अपनी और भी eyeshadow makeup tutorials में use करूँगी. And I hope you like this video and like this makeup tutorial. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अपनी next video में. Bye. Lots of love.